Hey everyone, Kid Praktikal here with Praktikal Rice. We're here today at Maki Ramen for some Sushi Making Master Class. Euan, my friend from Food with Farang episode 1, entered a competition on Facebook and he got spaces in the Sushi Making class, and I was lucky enough to join in and be a freeloader. I've made makis before, but I've never actually made like nigiri, and I've never actually cut salmon properly. So it's gonna be really fun, it's gonna be really educational, and hopefully there's gonna be a lot of sushi for me to eat. We walked in and we've been guided to this wee tiny area here. Got some sesame tea, it's really good, and now we have to put on our, I think they call it a kimono, but I don't think that's right. Gonna put it on anyway. There we go.
Beautiful.
I think I'm ready. Maki Ramen is quite a special place. Not only do they do like amazing ramen, you can also tell them how good their ramen is by writing post-it notes and posting it on their walls. Since Marianne is not joining us for the lesson and she is taking the video instead, I have pretty much decided to feed my camera woman by giving her some ramen.
Well, he hasn't decided to feed me.
I'm starving, so this is very unfair.
If you are not this one, the rice is become harder and no air. When you bite, it's not separate nicely. And this one, look, just look, already here, already flat. So even you put here, no, definitely not to fall down.
We're given a quick explanation how to make the salmon nigiri, and now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fail, but I'm gonna do it.
Oh, but yes, adjust how.
Nope. Think maybe.
Yeah, but the rice is so big.
Too big.
So much rice.
Too much rice.
Okay. Hey, this one made.
Okay.
It doesn't look like it.
Just finished making my first nigiri, and my teacher said that I put too much rice, so living up to the name.
Okay, and this one.
You can never have too much rice. What are you on about? So far, Euan and I have failed miserably.
Very bad.
Very bad. Other people have definitely caught on better than us. Our teacher have yelled at us multiple times.
No, I told you. Yeah, no, not this way. No. Rice off. No, somewhere.
I didn't flip the right way twice. I didn't put enough water in my hand. Euan didn't actually make a rice ball. It's fairly disastrous so far, but you know what? We're having fun. That's all that matters. Yep, it does look pretty good, and I actually can't wait to eat this.
Even your rice little bit doesn't matter anyway. This wide logically, so you can roll. Okay? Roll. Push this side. Okay? Here. Push this side, and you can make the shape. So, and of course nori is now is this side. So when
Yeah, our chopping board appears to be a lot worse than other people's. Oh boy.
middle, and you can adjust to the same
size.
length.
Well, not quite the middle. Oops.
Okay, okay, jump. And this one, and
Okay.
cut here, long, same long.
Well, it's not quite thirds, but it'll do.
You need to go back to math class.
Yeah, I think so.
Lights and the nori is inside. Okay.
And once then, I got a leftover bit.
Sly dog.
The Tokyo roll is next. It's a lot of rice. I'm down. I'm down with this.
And the chicken roll. Just going to inside. And just rolling.
It's rice time.
Over rice is Oh!
Over the rice, okay.
No.
No? No?
You put your thingy the wrong way.
What?
You have your
My what?
seaweed the wrong way.
You have the seaweed the wrong way. Sit the wrong way.
That's me!
It's okay, I fixed.
No,
No?
it's okay.
It's okay. No.
Nobody makes a mistake.
That's what you said. Yeah, me too.
Sorry.
Right.
Okay, this way.
You do again.
This way.
Yeah, the line.
Okay, the line. This way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you sure? You didn't listen.
All right, here's the fun part.
Inside, one,
Dunk.
and cut.
Feeling the crunch as I cut. Oh no.
But okay. If you are tummy, same.
That's true.
Same. Everything is kosher. So doesn't matter.
Doing okay so far. I think we're moving on to the hand roll just now. No way I can mess this up, right? No way. Nah. Beautiful. See? No way I can mess it up, right? Alright, so we finally finished the lesson. We got 2 salmon nigiri, 6 cucumber hosomaki, 4 Tokyo rolls, a wee bit of it's like an inari roll, so tofu roll, and since I was the best student, I got an avocado gunkan, which is pretty cool. That was a really, really fun lesson. A lot of laughs. I learned quite a lot. I wasn't the best, but you know what? I think that's what it's for, you know, just kind of learning the culture. And I actually learned quite a lot about, you know, Japanese food as well. So thank you very much, Maki and Ramen, for giving me this opportunity. I mean, also thank you, Euan, for taking me here and giving me this opportunity. And now I'm just gonna enjoy my sushi, enjoy my handiwork. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, so please press the like button below. And if you want more Asian food shenanigans, then please press subscribe. And yeah, till next time, I'll see you later.